So, good day everyone. So, in this video, I will present my reaction to experiment 2. So, which focuses on completing the MATLAB Simulink on-ramp and Simscape on-ramp activities. So, first, here are my learning certificates that show I successfully completed the Simulink on-ramp and Simscape on-ramp training modules. So, these certificates confirm that I finished the guided lessons and exercise provided in the MATLAB learning platform. So during this experiment, I learned how to use Simulink to create simulation models using blocks. I built simple models by connecting blocks such as sources, gains, and scopes. So to observe how signal change in the system, the output of the simulation can be seen in the scope. So where the graphs show how the signal behaves over time. So in the Simscape on-ramp, I learned how to simulate physical systems such as electrical and mechanical components. I created a simple circuit and observed how voltage, current, and other physical variables interact in the model. So the simulation allowed me to see how the system behaves without building the real circuit. So one challenge I experienced during the experiment was understanding how the blocks connect and how signal flow in the model. So at first, it was confusing to identify which block should be used and how to configure their parameters. So, however, by following the instructions in the on-ramp tutorials and repeating the exercises, I was able to understand in the process better. So, another challenge was interpreting the simulation results. So, especially the graph shown in the scope, I needed to carefully observe the changes in the signal and understand what they mean in the system. So, overall experience, this experiment helped me understand how simulation tools like MATLAB Simulink and Simscape are used in engineering. So, instead of building physical circuit immediately, engineer can first test, analyze their design through simulation. So, from my notes to self, I learned that it is important to understand the function of each block and to carefully set parameters before running the simulation. So, I also realized that simulation are very helpful for testing ideas, finding errors, and improving system design. So, overall, in this experiment, improve my knowledge of simulation tools and help me understand how they are used in real engineering applications. Thank you for watching.